fuck? Rotting?
So today we're doing like a pre-Christmas thing, and my mom's at Lincoln Park. She's trying to get her paychecks. I've just been like, get the fuck out of here, you son of a bitch! Anyway, I've been assigned to cook the fucking turkey. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Oh God. Oh God. Do you know if I take the plastic thing out? Kitten, get away from there. Oh, God. Do this nice. Quietly. Oh, God! I can feel it moving. What happened? Oh, God. Oh, fuck you. That's even worse because it's frozen. I got something! It's fucking frozen inside it! Ah! God! No, what to do? What do I have? Is this thing supposed to be in there? Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, God! Don't do it! Why? You fucking stay here for this crap.
I didn't watch it.
Why me? Why did I have to come home?
Because you're
Oh, God! What the take out what I even?
Do it.
It's frozen! Everything's cold! I don't know what to take!
Well, see that as winter, but in a turkey's butt.
Fuck off. Oh, God! I think I got something! God! Get it! Fuck you! God! Slimy! Oh! Ah!
Where's the camera?
I'm recording myself. Well, I think I got something. Here, want some ice?
Ow!
Oh, God.
What are you doing, Pepper? What are you doing?
What the fuck am I? I think I got it.
Then get it out!
Well, okay, looks like I got everything, I think. Yep, I don't know. Well, let's watch this part where I try to stick it in the bag. There's a block of turkey blood guts. Fuck you son of a bitch watching me fucking suffer. You know?
Who, me?
Who?
I don't
don't want to do it again. I really don't want to do it.
Let's put it in there. You're not really sticking.
Do I stick it in the front of the back?
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Shut up! This is fucking terrifying for me. Ah! It's beating on me! Instructions help me. Please put down my mouth. No. I'm good. I'm good. It looks like help me. Adding that. We're adding flour. What do I do? Help me. Okay.
When we come, I'll tell her that you're being messy. What time did they come over?
Where's the time? I